Alright, so you guys watched how we fixed Quinnie's exhaust the other night. I mean, it was literally just a patch job and it's fallen apart even again. So we've got a new exhaust. I think, are you going to be fixing it?
Yeah, mate. We're always on, never off.
Driver Ringy. They're gonna hear it. This is horribleness. I love how he's making the exhaust nice and hot for him to touch.
Ah! That is very hot!
Mate, have you been, what's this sand? Have you been losing traction? What's this?
Excuse me, mate. I don't...
It's just a failing.
Not enough power, but...
Well, it's come off your mount, but it's still broken here. I was rubbing the tail shaft a little bit here and a little bit there. Alright, well, new exhaust. We just got a standard replacement, so if you're excited, thinking, oh, we've got some hectic exhaust, we don't. We just have a stock replacement. You want to start off by spraying some Rost off there, which is WD-40.
Okay. Yep.
There. Obviously the front bolts are fairly loose already, so you don't really need to put anything on there. Mature. Yep, nice. Nice, Gary, nice. You can probably unwrap your exhaust, get the apprentices. These are the apprentices right here. They're our apprentices.
They're inside, aren't they?
So reliable blue team.
Get it done. Get it happening.
Go on, Quinnie, get to work, mate.
It's exhausting.
Nice. Just gonna check, see if his old catalytic converter. Oh, the catalytic converter actually looks alright. You can kind of see it there. Looks alright. We might have to drop it from the front just to make sure.
Sweaty boy.
Jeez.
For those of you watching, mate, it's currently like 98% humidity here in the Gold Coast.
It's not. It's probably like 75. It is wet outside and kind of sunny at the same time.
Gasket.
Delete.
Let's get to it.
I reckon we're done. Sure.
Exhaust delete. All done.
Delete.
Okay, I finally guys have figured it out. Let's take the whole damn thing off.
Yeah, no problems here.
I reckon have the extractors go out the hood.
We could do the old flippy.
The Formula Drift specs.
Well, what we'll do is I'll get you to pull this off.
Yep.
Just so we can check that the cat's
Okay.
not busted. Remember that time, Quinnie, when you got on the limiter to pull your exhaust off? Like, how come you can't hold the catalytic converter with your hand, mate?
Might be a little bit too hot because some idiot thought it would be funny for the video to hit the limiter.
It'd be funny if you touch it. It holds heat for so long.
Okay. Ah! That is very hot!
I told him not to get a railgun because he was probably going to seize it. You need to know the art of pressing the button and hearing and knowing.
And I only know.
He only knows, yeah, and then it seizes, and then he goes, oh no, it's seized. Now what?
Grinder!
Well, mate, you're not getting a grinder in there, and then there'll be a manifold off job, and no.
Alright, I'm taking over. A little update. David's gone somewhere, but I've got the cap back on. I made sure Shannon checked it for tightness to make sure it works. And he's just gonna find some gaskets, and then we're gonna get new exhaust on and bye-bye old exhaust. I mean, I thought when we took the cat off, I was like, mate, extractors plumped atmosphere, shibby, but they said no. But yeah, see you soon. All right, guys, a little bit of an intermission on my mechanicking. Camo's here, being a tyre Michelin man. David's there, being Pirelli man.
Gee, this job sucks.
Those are all the tyres that the man's come to get today.
Whew.
So David's going to be out here for a while.
I don't want to flood the workshop.
I'm going to head back inside, work on my exhaust. David, I wish you all the best of luck with your 150 tyres.
134.
He feels personally violated. All right, back to it. That gasket looks exhausting. It's pretty horrible. Oh. Orange. Orange.
You wanna lick it?
Okay, go on.
No, don't. Actually,
We're doing some exhausting work right now, just getting the old new exhaust on. I wanted just to delete it, but David said no. So,
Oh, Jace!
shibby, shibby,
Stay at it!
ah, oh, exhausting. More power, baby.
more power.
Hey, 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 more power, baby. How many mechanics does it take to put on an exhaust?
Obviously 3 supervisors and 1 actual mechanic.
Boom. Because it's exhausting. Gotta make sure he's working! Whack! Whack!
You know what? I quit.
Do your job.
Damn.
Oh, you know what?
You've upset him. It's gone. It's gone.
Stop it. I'm done.
He's off. Alright. Good thing we don't need him.
Good thing Nick's here.
Good thing we have a mechanic here.
Alright guys, I'm gonna show you something fascinating. Call it the Leaning Tower of Tyres. I don't know about you, but to me that looks like a piece of artwork, you know, something that should be displayed in Surfers Paradise. So they have those beach sculptures, mate. Should be a tyre sculpture. Support your local. Support your local. Support your local.
I'm pretty sure something else is bent.
Yeah?
It needs to go that way. Heaps. Ow.
Tyre coming times 100.
Time's 100.
Bounce. The bass in your jiggle. Bounce. He's allowed to use the mechanic tool, I'm not. I am the apprentice.
My fingers want to.
We've come to the end. Quinnie's car, a little bit of a pain. The exhaust does not quite have the shape it's meant to. We've moved. It's like touching the car here. We get down to here. It's like that far off, and it's hitting there, and it's hitting here. So the brand new exhaust we bought from a company
Little bit of problem.
is meant to be direct bolt in, and is not direct bolting in. Well, technically it's bolted in, but it's hitting way too many things to consider it a proper exhaust. So we have to do some welding, but we have to finish it there. That'll be a wrap for this one. I guess you won't hear him driving around anymore because it'll be nice and quiet.
I liked my tractor sound only sometimes until I drove by myself and then the drone just
Yeah,
was hurting my
driving a bit.
ears.
So fortunately that's where we are, but I hope you guys enjoyed it.